Now, if you have ever tweaked your back, well, you're well aware of how debilitating that can be.
Yeah, while the pain goes away for most, others live with that pain for years with no relief. And for those who can't get rid of the chronic pain, they turn to Dr. Miller at Total Health Chiropractic for the non-surgical, non-invasive approach to healing so they can get back to loving life again. The DRX 9000 is a special piece of equipment used to heal chronic pain. It can help relieve the following conditions: back and neck pain, sciatica, herniated and or bulging discs, degenerative disc disease, spinal stenosis, and failed neck or back surgery. Now let's hear from a few people about how they've found relief at Total Health Chiropractic thanks to the DRX program.
I had some degenerative disc disease going on. I had 3 bulging discs. I had L5 that was almost completely gone. I could barely bend over. I could barely do activities. I completed the DXR 9000 and currently in physical therapy. I have a lot of living to do. It's been very wonderful for my back, my life, my mood. I was very cranky before, and now since day 2, I've been free from a lot of the pain, and my moods have been astronomically good. So now that I've completed this program, I have 6 kids. I have 11 grandchildren. We just got done successfully opening the pool together, which was going to be a challenge for me as well to get that big cover off the pool. The kids and I are now I'm able to jump on the trampoline with my grandkids, which I could not do before because of my back. I have been remodeling the whole upstairs of my house. I've built cupboard doors for my cupboards and redone the counters, the walls, the trim. I've done it all. It has taken me probably a year and a half now to do my kitchen. And in the last 2 months, I have completely finished it because I don't have the rest periods anymore from building the cupboards or standing or this or that. So I've been very successful at speeding up on finishing the projects that I have going at home as well.
We tried everything. I was at wit's end. My wife and I didn't know where to turn anymore, and she saw his spot on TV from before, and she said, let's go try it. And we came and talked to him, and he interviewed us and said he thinks he can help me. And I'm a skeptic, and I came here, and after the first time, I was like, this is going to work.
Excellent. So let's talk about what it was. What was it? Do you remember the specific day of when this went down?
Yeah, it was on my anniversary in 2018. I woke up in the morning, and I had chronic back pain, and it was bothering me through the week, and it was getting worse every day. And I got up, made about 3 steps from the bed, and ended up on the floor. And that was the first time it ever took me down. And I went to the doctor, and then I went to doctors. Then I went to the Mayo Clinic, had surgery for decompression. And a year and a half later, it helped, but not enough. And then it came back this past summer. And it just got worse and worse, and we came and saw Dr. Miller, and all I can say is I can get up, I can walk, my pain is virtually gone, and my legs are getting stronger, and it's just, I can't believe it.
I ended up on the floor, and I stayed on the floor there until Dr. Miller finally got me up off the floor, which was 26 days later. I couldn't move in any other position because the severity of the pain was the worst I've ever felt. I brushed my teeth on the floor. I ate my food on the floor, which is not fun. The DRX 9000, it's a very comfortable process. It does not hurt. I didn't feel any pain in it. It was harder for me to get up on the machine and get off it than going through the process. It was very comfortable and relaxing. It takes like about 25 minutes. Dr. Miller, he was the kind of person I needed. And the whole staff here, if I could, I'd like to say thank you to Dr. Miller. They've just been awesome, and they treat your family like family. They really do.
And here is your chance to get rid of that pain. Total Health Chiropractic has a new patient special. For the first 5 callers, get a $49 consultation and free hydro bed massage. Just call 616-828-0861. And if those lines are busy, keep calling the number 616-828-0861. We'll be right back.